So next unit 2 infinite impulse response filter design or IIR filter ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். IIR is nothing but infinite impulse response. So frequency selective filter. So here the name is called selective. Selective means we have to allow the particular selective range of inputs only, right? So it is a network or an electronic component that changes the frequency response or characteristics of a signal in a desired manner. Right, the filter allows information in the signal by removing noise. So the filter allows information in the signal, the purpose is removing the noise, right? So this is called frequency selective filter. Then filters are classified into analog filter, digital filter. So analog filter is, it operates on analog signal. The system characteristics are given by differential equations. Analog filters are designed in S domain. So digital filter means it operates on a sampled version of given input signal and the system characteristics are defined by difference equation. It consists of order, multipliers and delays. So digital filters are designed in Z domain. So digital filters finds useful applications in DSP. So in DSP, the applications of digital filters are data transmission, data compression, echo cancellation, image speech processing, digital audio, medical image processing. So next, the advantages of digital filter. So it have a linear phase characteristics. The performance of the filter do not vary with environment change. The frequency response can be adjusted using programmable processor. Filter data can be used in future use. Digital filters are cheap, consumes and less power. So whereas the disadvantages is the time taken for the design and the hardware development is longer compared to analog filters. Quantization and round off noise produced during computation of the digital filter. The next, advantages of analog filter. So the accuracy of the filters and then characteristics are maintained. ADC and DAC are not required, so the hardware requirement is less. So in digital filter, the input signal should be analog and the output signal should be analog. In between, the processes should be the digital. So we need to convert analog to digital and digital to analog. So the hardware requirement is high in digital filter. Whereas in analog filter, there is no conversion of digital, full and full analog only. So the hardware requirement is less. So type of digital filter, IIR, infinite impulse response, which is called as recursive filters. Next one is FIR, finite impulse response or else non-recursive filters. So the output response of IIR filter depends on the past output as well as present and past input. That's why it's called as a recursive filter, right? So the IIR filter output depends on past output, that is previous output, as well as current input and past input, right? So this is called as casual, right? So the equation of transfer function of IIR filter is H of Z equal to summation k equal to 0 to n pk into z power minus k divided by 1 plus summation k equal to 1 in power 2n ak into z power minus